Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Upholds staking feature. Let's get straight into the video. First up is to log into your Uphold account. You could do that on the website or you could do that on the mobile app. Now that you're logged in, you want to click on the staking or earn tab. Next, you want to choose the asset that you want to stake, and you want to set the amount of the assets that you want to stake. And next, you got to review the staking details, including the assets, the amounts, and the estimated rewards, and then confirm that all that information is accurate. If it's accurate, you can click the start staking button to begin the staking process. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Uphold staking feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.